Launching and growing a project management career involves a combination of education, experience, and skills development. Here are some steps to help you kickstart and advance your project management career. Number 1. Education and certification. Obtain a relevant degree in project management, business administration, or a related field. Many project managers also have backgrounds in engineering, IT, or finance. Consider pursuing project management certifications such as PMP or Prince2. These certifications enhance your credibility and demonstrate your commitment to the field. Number 2. Gain practical experience. Start with entry-level positions in project management or related roles to gain hands-on experience. Look for internships or volunteer opportunities in project management to build practical skills. Number 3. Develop key skills. Project managers need strong communication skills to interact with team members, stakeholders, and clients effectively. Develop leadership skills to guide and motivate your team towards project success. Project management often involves addressing unexpected challenges. Hone your problem-solving skills. Learn to manage your time efficiently and prioritize tasks to meet deadlines. Number 4. Networking. Keep a record of your successful projects. Join project management associations and attend industry events to network with professionals and stay updated on industry trends. Build a strong online presence, especially on LinkedIn. Connect with professionals in the field and join relevant groups. Number 5. Mentorship. Seek out a mentor in the project management field who can provide guidance and share insights from their own experiences. Number 6. Stay updated on industry trends. Project management is a dynamic field. Stay informed about the latest methodologies, tools, and trends. Number 7. Build a strong portfolio, highlighting your role and contributions. Develop a portfolio showcasing your skills, experiences, and the outcomes of the projects you have managed. Number 8. Embrace technology. Familiarize yourself with project management tools like Jira, Asana, or Microsoft Project. Develop skills in data analytics to make informed decisions based on project data. Number 9. Advanced education. Consider pursuing a master's degree in project management or a related field to advance your knowledge and career opportunities. Number 10. Seek leadership opportunities. As you gain experience, take on more complex projects to showcase your ability to handle challenges. Aim for leadership roles within project teams or departments. Remember, a successful project management career is a journey that involves continuous learning, adaptability, and commitment to excellence. Regularly assess your goals, update your skills, and seek out new opportunities for growth. If you have liked this video, please subscribe my channel. Also share with others so that all the people can benefit.